Hey, this is Oglu, and today we'll talk about simple present tense part 2. So let's start. So when we use he, she, it, we put the verb plus s. And we have 3 s's here. First s, second es, third ies. So first, verb plus es. And we put the es when the verb ends with o, like goes, ch, like watches, sh, like finishes, double s, like kisses, and finally, when the verb ends with x, like fixes. So, for example, as we can see here, after Adam finishes his work, he watches TV. And in the next example here, as we can see, John goes to the gym every day. Second, verb plus ies. We use it when the verb ends with y. For example, fly, we say flies. We remove the y and put ies. Next, cry, I remove the y and put ies, so I say cries. Finally, with try, I say tries. But here we have an exception. If the verb has vowel plus y, we put only s. And vowels here like a, e, I, u, o. For example, with play, I say plays. I keep the y and add s. I don't put ies. The same with buys, and finally with annoys. So, for example, as we can see here, Sarah cries when she is alone. And the next one here, I say Anna tries hard to finish early. Finally, verb plus s. For example here, as we can see, with think, I say thinks. Give, I say gives. Finally, with make, I say makes. So, for example, as we can see here, I say Adam eats his breakfast every day at 9 a.m. In the next example, I say he takes shower before he sleeps. Finally, he, she, it plus verb to be is plus adjective or noun. So, for example, as we can see, Tom is hungry, he needs to eat. And in the next example, as we can see, when Rachel is happy, she eats chocolate. And that's all for today. If you liked today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you didn't, share with me an example in the comment below to check your understanding. And I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.